Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in camera tech. Today we've got something truly special, drumroll, the brand new Sony A7V. This camera has been the talk of the town and I can't wait to explore every little detail with you. Whether you're a professional photographer, a videography enthusiast, or someone just looking to upgrade their gear, this video is for you. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The Sony A7V continues the legacy of the Alpha series with its robust magnesium alloy body. It's lightweight, yet feels incredibly solid in the hand. The grip has been slightly redesigned for better ergonomics, which is perfect for those long shoots. On-screen, pointing to key areas. Now, if you're coming from the A7IV, you'll immediately notice the larger EVF, electronic viewfinder, on the A7V. Sony has upgraded it to a 9.44 million dot OLED panel, providing a crystal clear view that's almost like looking through an optical viewfinder. And check this out, Sony has finally included the long-awaited 4-axis multi-angle LCD screen, making vlogging, low-angle shots, and high-angle photography more intuitive than ever. But what's a camera review without real-world performance? I took the A7V out for a spin in different environments to see how it handles. The new 61-megapixel back-illuminated XMOR-R sensor paired with the Bionz XR processor truly shines. The dynamic range is outstanding, capturing an incredible amount of detail even in challenging lighting conditions. On screen, navigating the menu, Sony has also revamped the menu system, making it more user-friendly. You now have touch control across the entire interface, which is a huge improvement over previous models. And let's not forget the customizable function buttons. Sony's given us even more flexibility to tailor this camera to our exact shooting style. When it comes to video, the A7V is a beast. We're talking full-frame 4K 60 FPS with 10-bit 4:2:2 color sampling internally. Plus, the new heat dissipation design means no more worrying about overheating during long recording sessions. For content creators, this camera ticks all the boxes. The colors are rich, the footage is incredibly sharp, and the in-body 5-axis stabilization ensures smooth, professional-looking shots every time. Now let's talk about autofocus. Sony's AF system in the A7V is arguably one of the best in the industry. With 759 phase detection points covering 92% of the frame, it locks onto subjects with lightning speed and accuracy. Whether you're shooting portraits, sports, or wildlife, this camera will not let you down. And for those of you wondering about lens compatibility, the A7V supports a vast range of Sony's E-mount lenses. Whether you're looking for a prime lens for portraits or a zoom lens for landscapes, you've got plenty of options. The autofocus works seamlessly across the board, ensuring you're always ready to capture that perfect shot. Battery life is another area where the A7V excels. The NPF Z100 battery gives you more than enough juice for a full day of shooting, and with USB-C power delivery, you can keep the camera charged on the go. Connectivity-wise, you've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even FTP support, making it easier than ever to transfer your images directly to your devices or cloud storage. So, is the Sony A7V worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or diving into the world of full-frame cameras for the first time, the A7V offers a perfect blend of performance, versatility, and innovation. From its top-notch image quality to its robust build and user-friendly features, this camera is set to be a game-changer in the mirrorless market. And that's a wrap on our in-depth look at the Sony A7V. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more reviews, tutorials, and camera tips. If you have any questions or thoughts about the A7V, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy shooting.